everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use margins in Google Docs. These tools help make your documents cleaner, more organized, and easier to read, especially for essays, reports, and professional documents. So let's get started. Margins are the empty spaces around the edges of your document. At the top of the page, you'll see the ruler. If you don't see it, click View and make sure Ruler is enabled. Now on the ruler, you'll notice small blue marks near the left and the right side. You can click and drag these markers to adjust left and right margins of your document. As you move them, the page's width updates instantly. Wider margins create more white space, while smaller margins allow more text to fit on the page. You can also set the exact margins manually. Go to File, then click Page Setup. From here, you can enter custom margin sizes for the top, bottom, left, and right sides of the document. And that's it! Thanks for watching!